Unleashing the power of idiomatic verb plus noun collocations. Hello, English language enthusiasts. Welcome to a brand new episode where we are going to delve into the fascinating world of collocations, specifically focusing on idiomatic verb plus noun collocations. These collocations are incredibly powerful because they make your English sound more native-like and fluent. So, buckle up and let's get started. Before diving into examples, let's understand what idiomatic verb plus noun collocations are. Essentially, these are verb-noun pairs that frequently go together in the English language. They often carry a specific meaning which might not be immediately clear from the individual words. This is why they are called idiomatic. Their usage is largely determined by convention rather than rules. Now, let's move on to some common idiomatic verb plus noun collocations and explore their meanings. Take a look. This means to inspect or examine something. Example: could you take a look at my report before I submit it? Make a decision. This refers to the process of deciding something. Example: it's time to make a decision about our holiday destination. Have a drink. This is a casual way of saying consume a liquid, often in a social setting. Example: let's have a drink after work today. Give someone a call. This means to phone someone. Example: give me a call when you reach home. Remember, these are just a few examples. There are hundreds of such idiomatic verb plus noun collocations. Knowing idiomatic collocations is one thing, but using them effectively is another. Here's a tip. When you learn a new idiomatic verb plus noun collocation, try to create your own sentences with it. This practice will help you to remember the collocation and make it a part of your active vocabulary. For instance, if you've just learned the collocation, make a decision, you could create a sentence like, I need to make a decision about what to cook for dinner. And there we have it, our deep dive into idiomatic verb plus noun collocations. Remember, the key to mastering these is practice, practice, and more practice. So, don't hesitate to make these collocations a part of your daily English usage. They'll significantly improve your fluency and comprehension. Thank you for joining me today, and until next time, keep practicing and stay curious.